Oops, I guess it is still kind of dark out. Come, Bella. All right, let's go for a ride in the car. We got something to do this morning, girl. Hang on, hang on. Let's get over here. Okay, let's unlock it. Go on, get in. We got more getting ready stuff to do today. Got to get started early. What, girl? She thinks she, well, she does. She knows where we're at. Pretty smart. Pretty smart, girl. All right, we're gonna go up here. We're gonna get the van for a little while this morning. There's our van. Wake up, van. So Bella runs up on the porch. So it's too early. Nobody's awake here yet. Come on. Come on. This way. All right, van. We kind of need you today. I was like, our van. Come on. Go on. All right. What are we up to this morning? How's the van feeling? Van's feeling just fine. Nope, no Dunkin' Donuts this morning. Maybe later. Now the sun is about to peak. Uh-oh, Bella, what's that? Horses. Horses. Did you see the horses, girl? Yep, the sun's about to come over the hill here pretty soon. It is early. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Not very warm though. Maybe mid-50s. A little chilly, but beautiful. Today we're gonna do some cleaning up. Some last end of season, last minute cleaning up. Around back to the garage, some things have accumulated, different projects over the summer, and so we're gonna take some scrap down the scrapyard. And yeah, some things like, well, the old exhaust manifolds, kind of done with those. Yeah, there's the old base plate out of that generator I cut. Right, the generator. Remember the the centerpiece for that generator rack. Yeah, just stuff like that. We did some brakes, and yeah, I got some brake rotors, and where's that thing at? The old hot water tank out of the RV, and just different stuff. That's just an old tow hitch off my buddy's truck. It's pretty rusted out where it mounts at. It won't be reused. It's no longer safe to use. So we're gonna do some cleaning up back here, and I'll probably mow this afternoon. Probably put the tractor away. But, there's other things too. There's in that tote. There's some old towing stuff off of the when I bought the tow hitch for the back of the Coachman. A kit came with it. From another car. You know, kind of that same kit I put on the front of the Fiesta, but it was for a Saturn, in a very, like a 20-year-old Saturn. So I was going to put it on Marketplace or Craigslist or something. The pieces are all in there, but what's the chances of finding a buyer for a 20-year-old Saturn? Right? So it's just going to go to the scrapyard. You know, it's some good iron in there, but I don't think there's a market for this particular kit. So it's just gonna go away. I thought, well, what could I use? Maybe I could use it and make something out of it. Yeah, it's a cool morning. Especially touching cold steel. Yeah, your fingers get cold even quicker. So some things like that, we're just going to get this cleaned up back here. The axle will stay, but pretty much everything else around here we're going to get taken care of. Tidy up around. And what else we got to do too? The van, it's kind of going to put it away for the winter. So there's things that I'll put indoors. I'll take the lithium battery out of it, and for the winter, and the little mini fridge in there, and some other things. There are some kitchen things in there that's gonna take out. I think I still have coffee in there and a couple of things. Get them in the coachman and get this put away. Probably say goodbye to it. Now that's a couple buckets of random stills. And that old air conditioner I drilled the hole through the bottom of. A couple of jerry cans that are all rusty inside, and stuff can just go away. And back here we got quite a load. A lot of it's some structural steel. It's rack's only rated for 500 pounds. I think we're still well inside of that, but there is some weight there. Probably more weight than it's ever had on it. I need to get some straps, get this all strapped down, put a pretty good dent in it here. I'll have to get the weed trimmer out, and I'll be able to mow in here a little bit better. And what's left, what is staying, I'll get better organized back here, get that pallet out of there, and get this tidied up a little bit. We're out on our way to the scrapyard. There's McDonald's over there. I don't know why. When I go out and about early in the mornings, donut shops and little, breakfast out. I don't care, Denny's or a little cafe or even McDonald's breakfast. And I don't usually do breakfast, but for some reason when I'm out and about, those places call to me. They call loudly. Here, look at these leaves up here. Look how yellow this. Look at that. Leaves are changing. So I changed my mind. I'm not gonna do the van clean out right now. I gotta go over late this week. I go visit with my mom again anyway. I'll go over and just clean the van out then. There's just a couple things I'll throw in the Fiesta. While we're out, I'm just going to drop the scrap off and then go drop the van off and stay focused on finishing up that little bit on the back of the car, wiring the tail lights in, and then pulling the coachman back over and getting to work on it. So I got some wiring to do on it as well, and some other tasks. So I'm gonna stay focused on that. We'll just get this cleanup done today. That'll be part of the day. Some Fiesta, some coachman, some cleanup. That's how our day's gonna go. Thompson scrap metal. We are at the scrapyard. We're gonna drive across the scale, and I'll have to get the paperwork. I wonder how much the van weighs. So we'll go across here and we'll get a heavy weight, a loaded weight, and then when we're empty, then we'll get an empty weight when we're done. And I'll subtract the amounts, and that's how much scrap we dropped off, and that's how much scrap we'll get paid for. I'm gonna guess, how much money you think? How much scrap money do you think I'll get? I'm gonna guess about 30 bucks. Okay. There's probably scrappers out there. Some people just do it. They call them scrappers. Go around rounding up different materials, and it's a regular thing. And they'll save, depending on whether the scrap prices are up or scrap prices are down, they'll save stuff until prices are up. And I don't pay attention to the prices and have the junk laying around waiting for prices to come up. You know what, when it's time, when stuff is accumulated and it's time to get rid of it, I take it to get rid of it. And whatever I get is what I got. Maybe I'll get pizza money out of it or something, or some gas money. Alright, that's all the chit chat about up there. Okay, we'll let him get the whole way off the scale. Go on, keep her moving. A little bit, okay. We've been motioned to go on. Look at all that scrap. Okay, we go down here, just past the building on the right, get unloaded. Some kind of crushing machine over there. Okay, we need to go where that high lift is. Yeah, once upon a time, I used to operate one of those. Good. Push it all up, make room. Yeah, those were the days. I get it back in here. Look at all these appliances, and sometimes you find little treasures in these places. You gotta keep an eye out. You never know what you might find. How you doing? Good. How are you? Anybody see any treasures? Huh? A lawnmower? Look, there's a kid's bike. I don't see any. A lot of appliances, a couple old bikes. We're just random old framing. Big old tank. Yeah, no treasures are jumping out. Huh. There's an old computer. It's a Windows XP machine. Now, oh, there's wall art. Look, old rusty saw blade. That goes got on a wall in the garage or a man cave, right? I don't see nothing else today. All right, let's go back across the scales. See how much money we got coming. Nice, we got enough to get a full tank of gas in the coach. That's kind of wishful thinking. I wonder, okay, so that machine has a big electromagnet on it. I wonder if it could pick up the van. I wonder how strong they are, or that one is. I'm sure they come in different strengths. We didn't do too bad. $36.10. All right, looks like I had 380 pounds. Okay, so he did tell me how much my van weighs empty. It is 6,180 pounds as it sits. I thought it was supposed to be sunny today. It's not looking good. Clouded all up. I hope it clears back up. It's like it'd be in the low 50s, I think. Low to mid 50s. But boy, that sun sure would help. Come on, clouds, get out of here. Okay, little car, I'm back. All right, we're back in the little car. And it is showing that it is 47 degrees out. Not a fan of 47 degrees. No, we're not. I can get back and let Bella back out. She can get to come on the scrap run. She did get to go for a ride this morning, didn't she? That's it. That's it, son. That's it, son. Come on. Break through. Clear up. We have some fall cleanup to do today. Now, that looks a little better than from this morning, doesn't it? All the parts laying there, the pallet and all that. It's all kind of organized and mowed. This little bit here, so that's a little better from where we started from. All right, we're gonna call that good enough. And this is looking a little better as well. Yes, more sun, less clouds. All right, it's time to get back to this project. Just a little bit left to do in the back there. 5 minutes, I'm done, and we're getting close. And I got to move over here to do the wiring back here. We'll be ready to hook up, and everything will be working. Thanks for coming along scrapping with me today. We'll be back soon. We're continuing to get ready, getting close. I'll see you soon.